Today we gonna be show you how to speed up your Windows 10 performance. Please note we are not using any third-party software to achieve this performance boost, and it's totally free as well. Before we starting, I suggest you, please update your Windows 10 to the latest version, and regularly check for updated as well, because an outdated system may cause performance issues. Step number 1. Power option settings. In this step, we're gonna show you an important thing to boost your system performance using control panel power options settings. So let's go to Start menu, and click on this gear icon, and you will see the Windows settings. Now navigate System Settings and open Power and Sleep tab. Then click on the additional power settings, which will launch the control panel power options window. Normally, Windows default choice will be Balance Power Plan, but I recommend you to choose High Performance Power Plan, because it favors performance over the energy usage. If you didn't find the High Performance Power Plan up here, make sure you always check it on the Hidden Additional Plans tab. Now click on the Change Power Plan Settings, and you will get here. Now click on Change Advanced Power Settings, and you will see this new window. Now go to Hard Disk and change this setting, minutes from 20 to 0 feet. Now scroll down and go to Processor Power Management, and go to Minimum Processor State and set that to 0%. Then go to Maximum Processor State and make sure you set that to 100%. Now click Apply, then click OK, and you are pretty much ready to close the window. Step number 2. Windows Settings. In this step, we're gonna be disable every unwanted or rarely using settings or features from the Windows settings, and by doing that you can retrieve a good amount of system resources free, which will naturally cause better system performance. So pay close attention and follow me. First, you need to go to the Start menu and click on this gear icon. As you can see, the Windows settings is just launched. And once you are here, first, you're gonna need to navigate to Privacy Settings. Now disable, let apps use advertising ID, let websites provide locally relevant content, let Windows track app launches, and finally disable Show Me Suggested Content option as well. Now navigate to Location tab, and I recommend you to disable the location service if you don't use it that often. Now click on Change, and disable Location for this device option. As same as we deal with the location service, only disable it. Now navigate to Camera tab, and disable everything which uses your camera, except Skype or similar apps, because some people use it very often. Now navigate to Contacts tab, and disable it for every other option other than email and accounts. If you have a different preference, you can leave those apps enabled. Now navigate to Calendar and disable Let Apps Access My Calendar. Then navigate to Call History, and the same as the calendar, disable Let Apps Access My Call History. Now navigate to Email and disable Let Apps Access and Send Email. Then navigate to Radios tab, and disable Let Apps Control Radios. Now navigate to Feedback and Diagnostics. Now choose Basic option from here. Then navigate to Background Apps. Now disable everything except Alarm, Mail, Settings, and Windows Defender. Or you can leave any other app as you prefer if you think it's important for you. And that's all you can disable in the privacy settings. Now let's go back to home. Step number 3. Disabling unwanted programs. First, you need to go to the Start menu and click on this gear icon, then navigate to System Settings. And once you are here, go to Notification and Action tab. Now disable Show Notifications on the lock screen, Show Reminders and Incoming VoIPs, Hide Notifications when I'm duplication my screen option. Now disable notification from all unwanted or rarely using application. I'm disabling everything except Chrome. If you have a different preference, you can enable those apps for notification. And that's all you can do on the Windows settings. Step number 4. Defragment and optimize drives. Only follow this step if you have installed your Windows on your HDD or hard disk. If you are using an SSD or solid-state drive, please avoid doing this step. So let's begin. Go to Start menu and search Defragment and optimize drives, and you will see it on the result. So click on it and this window will open. Once you are here, select your C drive or system driver, which you have installed your Windows 10 OS on. Now click on Optimize, and that's it. You may wonder, I have installed my Windows on an SSD, and still, I'm doing this defragmentation on it? I'm only doing this for the sake of the video. I don't recommend you do this to your SSD. If you're using a conventional hard drive, definitely follow this step. Your hard drive data will sort out and place everything where they belong to. It may result in faster load times and better performance. Also, make sure you have defrag all your other drivers, in case you have multiple partitions. As well as I recommend you to replace your hard drives with SSDs if you can afford it, because SSDs had incredible read and write speeds comparing to your conventional hard drive. That's all we can do to clean up your C drive. Hope you are all experiencing a performance boost, free up space, and a more enhanced system responsiveness. Leave a like if you liked and subs if you loved. From PC Tutorials, see you soon with another one.